gets in his trench, but through it, not over it.
Through it, not over it. Got it.
I don't like this trench one bit. We're swimming over it.
Something's telling me we should swim through.
Why do I waste my breath? That leads to certain death.
Come on, partner, trust me on this. What friends do.
Okay, I guess. If you say so. Hey, look, something shiny.
Where?
Over the trench.